Good morning. How are you today?
Great. Just getting coffee.
Heading to work. Busy day ahead.
You? Me too. Big meeting this afternoon.
Good luck. Take a break when you can.
Thanks. What are you doing after work?
Meeting a friend for dinner. Anything fun?
Not tonight. Studying for a test tomorrow.
Ah, good luck. What subject?
History. Not my favorite, but gotta pass.
I hear you. Math gives me headaches.
Maybe we can study together sometime.
Great idea. We can help each other.
Perfect. Let's chat later and plan it.
Sounds good. Have a good day.
You too.
Hey, what are you watching?
Just a funny meme. Want to see?
Sure. I need a laugh anyway.
Haha, me too. This one is hilarious.
Oh no, I spilled my drink.
Oh dear. Let me help you clean it up.
Thanks. Don't worry. It was just water.
No problem. Do you want more to drink?
Sure. Thanks. Can I get you another one?
Nah, I'm good. Have fun watching memes.
You too. Don't forget to share more later.
Definitely. Thanks for the help.
Anytime. See you around.
See you.
Wow, this bus is crowded.
Tell me about it. My stop is coming up.
Lucky you. Mine's still a few stops away.
No fair. Maybe you can get off early and walk.
Good idea. But it's raining pretty hard.
Oh no. Maybe there's an empty seat up front.
Nope. Nothing but standing room.
Don't worry, it'll go by fast. Any plans tonight?
Just relaxing at home. Reading a book.
Sounds cozy? Maybe I'll do the same.
Enjoy. See you tomorrow.
See you then, and hopefully on a less crowded bus.
Haha. Let's hope so.
Excuse me, can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. My mind went blank, and I forgot mine.
Sure. Happens to the best of us. What are you writing?
Just taking notes for a class.
Oh, cool. What's the subject?
Psychology. It's fascinating.
I bet. I love learning about the human mind.
Me too. Maybe we can talk about it sometime?
I'd like that. Let's find a time to chat later.
Sounds good. Thanks for the pen.
No problem. Have a great day.
Need any help finding anything?
Yes. Can you tell me where the pasta is?
Sure. It's right down this aisle.
Thanks. These fruits look delicious.
They are. I recommend these peaches.
Can I get a coffee and a croissant, please?
Coming right up. Anything else to add?
No, that's all. Is it going to take long?
Just a few minutes. You can take a seat over there.
Thanks. This smells amazing.
Are you free next weekend?
Yes, why? What do you have in mind?
How about going to the park for a picnic?
Sounds great. What time should we meet?
Let's say 11 a.m., near the big fountain.
What do you like to do for fun?
I love painting and watching movies.
Cool. I'm into photography and playing music.
Maybe we can share our hobbies sometime.
I'd like that. We could even do something together.
I love your outfit. Where did you get that shirt?
Thanks. It's from a vintage store downtown.
Your hair looks great today. Did you do something different?
Haha. Just the usual. Thanks for noticing.
You're welcome. You always look put together.
Excuse me. Can you tell me how to get to the museum?
Sure, go straight down this street, then turn left at the second corner.
Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver.
No problem. Have a nice time at the museum.
I will. Thanks again.
Is that your dog? He's adorable.
Yes, his name is Max. He's always excited to meet new people.
Can I pet him?
Of course. Just be careful. He can be a little jumpy.
He's so fluffy. What breed is he?
Thank you for helping me with my project.
No problem. I was happy to do it.